Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about the 5-variable K-map and we are doing the problem for SOP form and POS form. Okay, ma? So now in this class, we discuss about the 6-variable K-map. Okay, 6-variable K-map. Here, 6-variable means the variables are taking as A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, ma, these are the 6 variables we are taking. Okay, now if you observe, this is the general K-map for 6 variables. Okay, ma, 6 variables. That is here, how many maximum number of cells are there? If 6 variables are used, 2 power 6. 2 power 6. What is the value for 2 power 6? 64. Okay, ma, 64 number of maximum cells are there. Okay, that is that 64 cells are from 0 to 63. Okay, ma, the maximum number is 63 here. Okay, so see here A, B. Okay, A, B will be taking outer. Okay, next inside this box we are taking CD variables, EF variables as it is 4-variable K-map. Okay, here the 4-variable K-map will be taking 4 times. Okay, ma, 4 times. Are you understand? In this, so this simple, this is one 4-variable K-map. The variables are C, D, E, F. Okay, ma, like this. This is also 4-variable K-map. The variables are C, D, E, F. Okay. Next, this is also 4-variable K-map. C, D, E, F for the variables. This is also 4-variable K-map. C, D, E, F. Okay. Here, how the values will be getting in the cells? How the values will be getting? Actually, the sequence of each cell is here. Suppose if you are taking this cell, then what is the sequence means? AB, CD, EF. Okay, this is the sequence. CDEF means already we are having the combinations. Here, zero, 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 zero. Okay, Amma. Here, AB means at this block, AB here, AB is taking as, see, A is 0, B is 0. So, AB equal to 0, 0 here. Okay, Amma. So, here what is AB values? A is 0, B is 1. Okay. So, here AB equal to 0, 1. Okay, ma. What about here? AB equal to A value is 1 and B value is 0. So AB equal to 1, 0 here. Okay, ma. What about here? AB equal to A is 1 and B is 1. So AB equal to 1, 1. Okay, ma. Are you understand? Based on these combinations, we are getting these values. Okay. How to get, see the values here? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is getting 9, 10, 11. Okay, ma? Next, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here the next sequence, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So the next number is 32. That will be getting here. Okay, Amma? That will be getting here. So in this way, we are getting the values, the combinations. Based on the combinations, we are getting the values in the corresponding cells. Here, here grouping is important. Okay, for getting the reduced expression, we are grouping the adjacent ones in SOP form, adjacent zeros in POS form. Okay, ma? So now here adjacent ones, adjacent zeros means how to group this. How many maximum number of cells are here? 64. Okay, first we are trying to group 64 number of ones or zeros. Suppose if that is not possible, then go to 32 adjacent ones or zeros. Suppose that is also not possible, then we are going to 16 adjacent ones or zeros. After that octet, after that quad, after that pair, like that. So as usual for 4 variable, for 5 variable, how to do the problems, in the same way we are doing the problems here also. Okay, ma? For 6 variable K-map also. Okay. So in this way, we are taking the 6 variable K-map. Now we are doing, see here. So these are the min terms. Okay. M0, M1, M2, M3. Same as it is. Whatever the values we are getting here, that will be taking as min terms. Okay, Amma. The maximum value is M63. The min term. Okay. The min term will be taking as M63. Okay, ma? So now the next topic is K-map with don't care combinations. Okay. Up to now, we learned 2 variable K-map, 3 variable K-map, 4 variable, 5 variable, and 6 variable K-map. Okay. How to reduce the Boolean expression by using K-map. We are doing some example problems also. Okay. Now, K-map with don't care combinations. What is meant by this don't care? That is, what is meant by don't care means actually that is represented as like this in 2 or x. Okay, the don't care will be represented like this. Okay, ma? So this means either 1 or 0. Both values are taking instead of this don't care. Okay, ma? Either 1 or 0. Okay, don't care means instead of this don't care, we are taking 1 or 0. Both the values will be considered. In SOP forms, we are considered 1. In POS forms, we are considered 0. Okay, ma? So by using this don't care also, we are grouping. Okay, ma? We are grouping. Just we are doing 2 problems based on this. Okay. See here. Are you understand first what is don't care? Don't care means instead of don't care, we are putting 1 in SOP forms. Okay. We are putting 0 in POS form. And here we are assuming this. Okay. So by using this don't care, also we are trying to group. This is also considered as 1 or 0. Okay. So now we are doing the problems with the don't care combinations. Okay, ma? See the problem here. See the problem. F of A, B, C, D equal to summation M 4, 5, 7, 12, 14, 15 plus summation D. Whenever we are taking summation D or only D, that means that is belongs to don't care. Okay, ma, that is belongs to don't care. Don't care is getting in the values 3, 8, 10. Okay, this is the problem given. So this problem is doing by using K-map. We are reducing the expression. Okay, ma, we are reducing the expression. So here by observing this, how many variables are here? 4 variables are there. Okay, ma, 4 variables are there. So are you know 4 variable general K-map? Yes. Okay. First draw the 4 variable general K-map. A, B, C, D. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, Amma. Now, what are the values in the corresponding cells? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, this is the general K-map for 4 variables. Okay, first to draw the general K-map. Now, this is belongs to summation M. So, is it belongs to SOP or POS? SOP or POS? SOP, sum of products. If sum of products, then which is placed? 1 or 0? 1 is placed in the corresponding cells. 4, that is here. 4, 5, 7, 12, 14, 15. Okay, we are placing ones in the corresponding cells. Okay, in these corresponding cells. Now, what about this plus summation D 3, 8, 10? Summation D means this D refers don't care. Okay, ma 3. Where the 3 will be there? So at 3, we are placing don't care. This is known as, this is read as don't care. Okay, ma 3. 8. 8 means here. 8. 10. 10 means this will be 10. Okay, are you understand? So now we are taking don't cares also. Okay, ma? See here, 4, 5. Next, 7. This 12, 14, 15 is over. Next, don't cares 3, 8, 10. Okay. So now we are placing all the ones and all the don't cares in this general K-map. So now we are trying to group the adjacent ones. Is there any how many maximum number of cells are here? 16. So is there any possibility 16 number of ones? Some blocks are, some cells are empty. 0, 1, 2, 6, 13, 9, 11. These are empty. So no, not possible here to group 16 number of adjacent ones. Some cells are not having one. Okay, so go to next possibility, that is octet possibility. Is there any octet possibility here? Is there any octet possibility? Octet means 8 number of adjacent ones. Okay, is there any 8 number of adjacent ones are here? See here, by observing only we know. So this is not adjacent, 8 number of adjacents are not there. So go to quad, that is 4 number of adjacent ones. See here, 12, 8, 14, 10. Actually, in previous examples, we are taking only ones. Okay, only ones. Here, this don't care means instead of this don't care, we are placing either 1 or 0. Okay, suppose if you are placing 1 here and here, then we are grouping this. Okay, so don't care means that is also taking as an adjacent. Okay, Amma, that's why some quad is possible here. 14, 10, 12, 8. Okay, is the quad possibility here? 12, 8, 14, 10. Okay, here don't cares are also included in this group. Okay, ma, don't care also included in this group. Why? This is also taking as 1 here. Okay, ma, are you understand what is the meaning of don't care? Okay, this is totally belongs to group 1, quad group. Okay, this is quad group, group 1, that is 12, 8, 14, 10. Next, is there any quad? Is there any quad? No, not possible. So next go to the pair possibility. Is there any pair possibility? See here, take another color. See here, 4 and 5 form a pair. 4 and 5 form a pair as. So this is group 2. Okay. Next, is there any pair here? 7 and 15 is the pair as adjacent, either horizontally or vertically. Yes. This is group 3. Is there any remaining ones are here? Actually, don't care is remaining. If don't care is remaining means that will be avoid here. No problem. But one is remaining, then compulsory that will be taking as a group, single one. Okay, ma? That single one will be taking. Compulsory, we are writing the expression, the term for that one. Here only don't care is alone here. So that don't care will be neglected. No problem. Okay. Suppose if one is remaining, then compulsory we are taking. Okay, ma? If don't care only remaining, then that will be eliminated. That will be neglected. Okay. So no problem. So here how many groups are there? 3 groups. So the simplified function in, so the remaining procedure is same as it is previous examples. Okay, ma? Just taking the groups, including this don't cares. Are you understand how to group this, including don't cares? Okay. So the remaining procedure is same. F is equal to, this is sum of products. So G1 plus G2 plus Z3. Okay, ma? G1 plus G2 plus G3. What about G1? G1 means this. So here, what about AB values? 1, 1, 1, 0. So which is common? The first one is common. First one belongs to which variable? A variable. A equal to 1 means what is the representation? A. Okay. So that is over. Next, what about CD variables? CD. This 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. 0, 0, 1, 0. Because these two and these two. Okay. 0, 0, 1, 0. Which is common in between these two combinations? This 0. This 0 belongs to which variable? D variable. D is 0 means what is the representation? D bar. Okay, ma? G1 is over. Okay. Now take Z2. Z2 means this. This is Z2. Okay. What about AB values? See here. this G2 covers only 0, 1 combination. Okay, that's why 0, 1 will be taking. Okay, ma, 0, 1 will be taking. So 0, 1 means AB 0, 1. So what is the representation? AB is 0. A is 0. So A bar. B is 1, B. What about CD? C, CD? See here, this group. Okay, ma, this group. So CD covers 0, 0 combination and 0, 1 combination. Okay. So which is common here? The first 0. The first 0 belongs to C variable. C equal to 0 means what is the representation? C bar. Okay. Plus G3. G3 means this is G3. Okay. So what about AB variables? G3, this G3 covers 0, 1, 1, 1, two combinations. Okay, two combinations. So out of these two combinations, which is common? The second one. One is common. So 1 means that is belongs to B variable. B equal to 1 means what is the representation? B only. Okay, what about CD? Only one combination covers. This group 3 covers only one combination, that is 1, 1. So CD 1, 1 means what is the representation? C is 1, D is 1. Okay, ma? So this is a simplified expression. Are you understand? Just by grouping only, we are considering this don't case as 1. So the remaining procedure is same. Okay. And you understand how to get the simplified expression? Okay, ma? So now we are doing another example based on the don't case. Okay. So shall I erase this? So next year, take another problem. 5 variable K-map we are considering. Okay. See the 5 variable K-map, that is reduce the following expression to the simplest possible POS and SOP forms. Okay, ma, POS and SOP forms. Summation M of 6, 9, 13, 18, 19, 25, 27, 29, 31 plus summation D means this belongs to don't cares. Okay, this belongs to don't cares. Here, for this don't care means what we can consider? Both 1 and 0. 1 for SOP forms, 0 for POS forms. So here this don't core, actually the sum, in this sum, summation M. Summation M means, is it belongs to SOP or POS? Is it belongs to SOP or POS? SOP. Okay, SOP. From this, we are taking POS numbers also. Okay, so for POS also, we are taking the same don't cares. Okay, ma? The same don't cares will be applicable for POS expression also. Okay, the don't cares which are given in this expression, the same don't cares will be applicable for POS form also. That is remembered. Okay, ma? So now here we are doing POS. Okay, SOP is already doing number of times. So now we are doing POS form. Okay, ma? Here. So first, actually in this problem, given SOP related expression only. Okay, SOP form only, because summation M will be there. So first you are converting this into POS form. Okay, how to convert into POS form? POS form equal to F equal to missing numbers only we are getting here. Okay, ma? Pi M of, okay. So now see the numbers. See here, missing numbers means we are considering the summation m and summation d also. Okay, summation d also. So here 0 is there in this m and d. No, so that is missing. So 0 will be considered. Next one, 1 will be considered here. 2 is already in don't care. So no, not taking here. Okay, Amma, 3 is also in don't care. So that is also not taking here. Next 4 is missing. So that will be taking here 4, comma 5. Comma 5, comma 6 is there, 7, 8, 9 is there, so not taking here. 10 is not there. 10, 11 is in don't care, so not taking here. 12, 13 is there. 14 is not there. 15 is in don't care, so not taking here. 16 not there, taking here. 16, 17 is in don't care. 18, 19 is there. 20 is not there. 21 not there. 22, so that is also taking here. 23 not there. 23, sorry. 24 is there. 25 is there. 26, 27 is there. 28 is there. 29 is there. 30. Okay, ma? So 31 is there. So completed. Okay. Plus don't case is taking as same. Okay. What are don't case? D of 2, comma 3, comma 11, 15. The same don't case will be applicable for SOP and POS 17, 24, 28. Okay, Amma. Now the POS form is ready here. Okay. Now we are taking the K-map, general K-map, and this is POS here. Okay. This is POS form. After finding POS form, draw the general K-map, and here we are taking zeros in the corresponding cells. POS form is F is equal to phi m of here 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20, 21, 22, 23, 26, 23, 26, 26, 30, 30. Okay, ma? Plus D of same as it is. 2, 3, 11, 15, 17, 24, 28. Okay, ma? Are you understand? So this is the POS form. Now we are doing, we are placing zeros in the first taking 5 variable K map. Okay, general 5 variable K map. Okay, ma, this is the general 5 variable K map. Okay, already discussed in previous class. So now in these corresponding cells, we are placing zeros because this is POS form. Okay, ma, this is POS form. So we are placing zeros and grouping here. Okay, 0, 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 16 is here. Okay, ma, 20, 21, 22, 23, 26, 30. Okay, ma, don't cares also represent here 2. Okay, 3, 11, 15, 17, 24, 28. Okay, now the same procedure will do. Okay, grouping these adjacent ones. Okay, ma. So is there any total 32? 32 is not possible. So go to 16. Is there any 16? Actually, suppose here at 6 also either 0 or don't care will be there. 16 adjacent zeros are possible here. But here 6, the number 6 cell will be empty. So 16 is not possible. So go to octet. Okay, ma? Go to octet. So here group this 0, 4, 12, 8, 16, 20, 28, 24. These two form an octet. So these belongs to group 1. Okay, ma? Next, say, take this 1, 3, 5, 7. This is quad possibility. This is group 2. Okay? See here. 20, 21, 22, 23. This is group 3. Okay, if you observe, then you know the adjacent cells. Is there any remaining here? See here. 14, 10, 30, 26, okay, 28, 29, 28, 24, and 12, 8. Octet possibility is there.